Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a golf club head. First, carefully inspect your club head to understand the extent of the damage. Look for dents, scratches, or any signs of a loose hosel or face. A thorough assessment helps you decide if a simple repair is possible or if it's time for a new club. This initial step is crucial for a successful fix. Once you've assessed the damage, the next step is preparation. Clean the club head thoroughly, especially around the repair area, to ensure proper adhesion. Use a degreaser or rubbing alcohol to remove dirt and oils. Make sure the surface is completely dry before proceeding. Having your tools ready will make the repair process much smoother. For minor damage, like a loose ferrule or a small dent, epoxy is your best friend. Mix a 2-part epoxy according to the instructions and apply it carefully to the affected area. If you have a small scratch, a specialized golf club filler can work wonders. Ensure you clamp any reattached parts securely and allow ample time, typically 24 hours, for the epoxy to fully cure. After the repair has fully cured, it's time for the finishing touches. Gently sand any excess epoxy or filler to create a smooth, seamless finish. You might consider applying a clear protective coat to enhance durability and appearance. Remember, proper storage and regular cleaning are key to preventing future damage and keeping your golf clubs in top condition for many rounds to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.